Okay, my topic today has a aim to contextualize people about the importance of renewable energy. In this presentation, there are three key points I'll be discussing. First, the problem is described. Second, a survey will be showed, and finally, a solution will be proposed. Okay, the first point covered that the energy from non-renewable fossil resource has negatively impacted the world. The industrial use of this energy emits amounts that exceed the regular levels of greenhouse, such as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. Therefore, the excessive consumption of energy from fossil resources has been the focus, since it has caused world problems such as climate change, global warming, and destruction of ecosystems. These are long-term concern situations. Moreover, these problems could affect future generations. So it is the responsibility of the current generation to mitigate this impact and sustainable energy. However, the main challenge that concerns for scientists and researchers is to find alternative and efficient energy source to replace the traditional ones. So the study did a survey to students of different fields, so we knew your things about the climate change. The survey addressed three basic questions of energies and climate change. First, here is the first. Okay. The survey addressed three basic questions of energies and climate change. First, here is first question. Oh, fuck. The survey addressed three basic questions of energies, climate change. First, the first question here is there. First, people were asked if they knew the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy. So 83.3% people said yes, 16.7% were not sure though, and I suggest that in 2020, with the difficult situation that the world is facing, 100% of people should know the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy. Now, the second, that it is here, the second question asked if the responding knew what climate change was due to. So 54.5% of the answer, it was caused by humans. 9.1% reported it is a natural process, and the 36.4% said it was due to both. And finally, the last question was to find out if they knew which renewable energy is more efficient. In this question, the three, more than 50% were wrong, and only the 45.5% affirmed that the most efficient energy is wind. Then survey shows that more environmental education needs to be implemented in students in all areas. Currently, there are a wide variety of technologies that allows people to obtain clean energy from renewable resources. This means natural source can be used for production of green energy. Among them, the following stand out. First, the sun through panels, the waves of the sea through potential energy, and the wind through windmills. Although it seemed like a complicated challenge today, there are some cities that are already part of the energy war change. A case point is Sydney. That in 2020 began to operate with 100% renewable electricity. This is produced by a wind farm and two solar plants, which generate 393 megajoules. As a result, the energy is enough to reduce the level of greenhouse gas emission to zero. This is a milestone that marks the beginning of a new period. Therefore, the implementation of new energy will bring important benefits to the next generations of humans. Okay, so to conclude, in this order of ideas, it is possible to change the course of our planet and welcome an era of new energies with significant improvements in the environment. There is still a long way to go. However, the turning point to a change. Finally, I want to say that the world issues project that the humans will change its energy source in the next century.